Okay. 7th of the 7th, about 10 minutes to the RTH Open. It's a Wednesday. And Monday was the day after the Independence Day, the 5th, so hardly any trade. Tuesday was a V bottom, and the overnight session is a double distribution very near to all-time highs, which are at 43.48. $43.48 is, yes, the all-time high, 2 points below 43.50, mid-century figure. And we are currently on top of the VPOC of the overnight session, so accepting value higher. After the V bottom, we have this last week move up, balance, move down, move up again. And my expectation for scenario 1, since that move was kind of indicative of us finding buyers who are motivated, my main scenario is for a continuation to the upside. So scenario 1 in blue is we open, test down to 31 stock zone, or LVN from yesterday, down here 30, 31. Find our buyers and test the high from yesterday at 46, and above that you have the 48 current all-time high, and then we continue. We have liquidity at 48 and then at 60. So we have resting liquidity in the order book at 60. So I expect us to reach there in scenario 1. And 48. We have resting liquidity there also between 47 and 48. So that's the current all-time high, 48. So that's my scenario 1. Scenario 2, which we test higher, take out the overnight high, which is currently at 45-ish, yes, 45, all-time overnight high, 45. Overnight high. We could take out the previous day high, which is at 45 half. We have yesterday day session high 45.75, so we have this is 45.75, one tick above the overnight high. So we on scenario 2 we may take out both the overnight high and yesterday high, or even the all-time high at prior week high at 47. Quite a few levels there in close proximity, and find our sellers, and we try to mean revert, which is most traded price of the last few days is at 25. And my mean reversion scenario 2 is to test the 30 zone, test at 25, which is also the overnight low. Take out the overnight low. The overnight session has a range of 20 points, so not that narrow. So to take out both overnight high and low has got not so much of a high probability, around 30%. And if we continue lower, test the VPOC from yesterday and then return to that scenario 2. And that's both my scenarios for today.